So here we pulled up a whole sheet here. This is where we had to dig for the electric, all the way over to there. So I've pulled up the two pieces, broke the one to make them a little bit smaller, and I've leveled it out and walked it over pretty good, kind of pack it in. And now we're going to try to set these back in and get them as level as we can, and then later on, tomorrow, we're going to use some concrete to fill in the cracks and get them in place. So just to show you what we've been doing here, it is raining today, so hopefully you're going to be able to see this good. It's not too hard of a rain, it's gentle. But you can see all the cracks we've done. This was some top stuff. Can't remember what they called it. And then here was concrete type S. And then this was all S. And you can see what we did down here. Here's some more of that topping bond, I think is what it was called. So hopefully that sticks good. We have notice what the water's doing it can't get off here. So the next job is to start the ditch going down the side. Maybe both sides. But it's looking really good. We're going to put some more top bond right in here, cement.